Standard 2nd, Maths, chapter number 3rd, addition of two-digit numbers. Here they have given Ankur has 13 mangoes and Sneha has 11 mangoes. You can see here that together they have 13 plus 11 is equals to 24 mangoes. Here how many mangoes are there? 13 mangoes. And here Sneha has how many mangoes? 11 mangoes. We read it as 13 plus 11 is equals to 24. Here 13 is there and here 11 is there. 13 plus 11 is equals to 24 mangoes. 13 mangoes who have? Ankur. And 11 mangoes Sneha. So together if we will do addition of both, then we will get the sum of 24. So here they have given, we read it as 13 plus 11 is equals to 24. Here 13 and 11 are addends. What we will say to both of these? Addends. And 24 is called sum. Here 6 plus 3. Here how many it is there? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here it is 3. So 1, 2 and 3. 6 plus 3. Direct you have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we will do here 9. And 2 plus 3. 1, 2. 1, 2 and 3. 3 plus 2 how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will write here 5. 8 plus 1. 8 and after 1. So what will come 8 after 1? 9. And 4 plus 1? 5. 5 plus 2. 5 after 6 and 7. So it will come here 7. 3 plus 1? 4. 7 plus 1? 8. And 5 plus 2? 7. You have to do mark like this and you have to solve all this sum. 7 plus 2? 7 after 8 and 9. And 4 plus 3? 4 after 5, 6 and 7. So it will come here 7. 4 plus 4? 8. And 5 plus 1? 6. 7 plus 1? 8. And 6 plus 1? 7. 4 plus 3? 7. And 5 plus 3? 5 after 6, 7 and 8. So come 8. Now on the next page, word problem is there. So what we have to see that in my class you have to read this word problem first of all, and we have to understand that actually what they are telling or what they are asking, and according to that only we have to solve. In my class there are 42 boys. How many boys are there? 42. So here they have given 42. So 42 boys and 35 girls. So here given 35 girls. 5 plus 2? 5 after 6 and 7. And 4 plus 3? 7. So there are 77 students in the class. Raman plants some flowers in his garden. 52 flowers are pink in color and 22 flowers are yellow in color. Here you see that how many flowers are pink? 54. So here we have to write first 54. And 22 flowers are yellow. So we have to write here 22. 54 is pink. 54 are pink in color and 22 are yellow in color. And we have, don't forget to put this addition sign. 4 plus 2? 4 after 5 and 6. So we will write here 6. And 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2. 5 after 6 and 7. So we will write here 7. So 76. Raman plants 76 flowers. Jyoti make a necklace using 37 white beads and 20 pink beads. How many beads are there in the necklace? Now we have to see that. First is how many white beads are there? How many? So how many white beads are there? 37. So we will write here 37 white beads and 20 pink beads. And we have to put addition sign. 7 plus 0, as I told, 7 plus 0 remain as it is 7, and 3 plus 2, 5. So answer will come, total number of beads is 57. Rohan was reading a book. He read 41 pages on Monday. How many pages he is reading on Monday? 41 on Monday. So here it will come 41 and you have to write here Monday. And here how many on Monday and 45 pages on Tuesday. On Tuesday how many pages he is reading? 45 pages on Tuesday. So 5 plus 1 6 and 4 plus 4 8. Rohan read 86 pages. Now addition properties. Here they have given addition properties that 6 plus 2. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here they have given 6. And here it is 2 flowers are there. How many flowers are there? 2. 1 and 2. So here we have written 2. So 6 plus 2, how many flowers are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have written 8. And here it is 1 and 2. So here it is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here it is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means what they have told here? The number can be added in any order, but the sum will be remain in both the cases are same. See, 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. And here we will write 2. And here it will 6 will come here. Means we have interchanged this both number here. 2 plus 6 or 6 plus 2. Both remain same. 8, 8. So remember this. Now order in adding 3 numbers. 1 plus 5 plus 2 is equals to 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Means I am showing you in the notebook that how to solve this. That 1 plus 5. What they have written here? 1 plus 5 plus 2 is equals to, after if you don't know how to solve, then how to do? 5 plus 1 how many? 6. And this plus as it is we have to write, and this 2. 6 plus 2. So you have to do mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here it is 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will come answer? 8. See, 8 came. Now in the same way, second is there. 1 plus 5 plus 2. Okay. So this will remain 1 as it is. We have to put this plus sign. And 5 plus 2 how many? So we have to do line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it is 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 plus 1. 8. So answer came 8. Here again 1 plus 5. 1 plus 2 plus 5. So 1 plus 2 how many? 3. And this addition sign and this 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. So see, the number can be grouped in any order. The sum will remain the same in all the cases. You see that we have interchanged here the numbers, but the answer of this sum is 8, 8 and 8 everywhere. So if you will group in any order, but the sum will come same in all the cases. Here adding 0. Now adding 0. 6 plus 0 is equals to 6 and 15 plus 0 is equals to 15. Means whatever number it is given, in that if you will add 0, then the sum will remain as it is. See, when 0 is added to any number, the sum in the number itself. See. Now next page. Here it is adding 1. 7 plus 1 is equals to 8 and 23 plus 1 is equals to 24. Means whatever number it is given, here 7. 7 plus 1 means whatever next number it is there is the sum of the addends. See, when 1 is added to a number, then the sum in the next number on the same number line. Here what they have given 7. So okay, we have jump on the 7. And 7 plus 1. 7 after what it is coming? 8. So answer is 8. In the same way 23 plus 1 means 23, 0 to 23 we have to jump, and then after we have to add 1. So 23 plus 1 is equals to 24. Now we have to fill the blanks here. So I am showing you the easy way, so you will not do any mistake in exam even. 5, 5. So what remain? 4. So 4. This addition sign is there. So here also addition sign is there. 24, 24. Addition sign is there. Yes, addition sign is also here. So what is here? 26. So 26. 8 plus 6 plus 5. So how we will do? Here it is 5. Okay, chalo, first. What it is there? Here 6 is there. Here 6 is there. Yes. Here 5 is there. Yes, 5. So what remain? 8. So answer will come here 8. 15 plus 12 and plus 9. Okay. Then what it is here? 9 is there? Yes. So 9 we have written. 15 is there? Yes. 15 written. What remain? 12. So we will write here 12. Complete using addition facts. 18 plus 0, as I told you, whatever number it is there, the answer will come itself. So 18 plus 0. Whenever 0 it is added, the answer will come as it is, 18. Now here 56 is there. Plus 0. Means this 56 we have to write here. The 56 plus 0 is remain as it is 56. 29, here 29. So when will remain 29? 0. And 59 plus 1. 59 after, as I told, 7 plus 1. So 59 plus 1. 59 after what next number it is coming? 95 after 96. 95 plus 1 is equals to 96. Now fun time here it is 10 plus 1 11, 20 plus 1 21, 30 plus 1 31, 40 plus 1 41, 1 plus 1 2, 11 plus 2, 11 after 12 and 13. So we have written 13. 21 after plus 3, 21 after what will come? 3. 21 after 22, 23 and 24. So here we will write here 24. 31 plus 4, 31 after 32, 33, 34 and 35. So here it will come 35. Now addition of 2-digit number with grouping. With grouping means what you have to do? You have to take carry over. Addition, add the ones. 1 plus 9 is equals to 9. See here 0 is there and here 9 is there. So as I told that 0 plus whatever number it is there, it will remain as it is 9. Add the tens. Now we have to add. First of all, what we have added? We have added ones. Now it's turn of tens. Add the tens. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is equals to 11. So regroup. We have to regroup. Then 11 it is there. So 11 tens is equals to 10 tens plus 1 10 is equals to 100 plus 1 10. See here 7 plus 4. 11 is there. So we have to take carry over here at the place of 100 and at the place of tens we have to put 1 here. So 100 at the place of 100, 1 is there carry. So carry we have to take down side. So 70 plus 49 is equals to 119 is the answer. Here example second is given. Add 85 and 55. Step add the ones. 5 ones plus 5 ones is equals to 10 ones. So we have to regroup 10 ones. So 10 ones is equals to 1 10. 1 we have written here and 0 ones. 0 we have to put at the place of ones. Write 0 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. We have carry over. Now we have to addition of both all these. So 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 5. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in the same way again we have to put carry over here at the place of 100 and 4 we have to write at the place of tens. And this 100 carry over whatever one number is there we have to keep down side. That here only explain. So answer is 85 plus 55 is equals to 140 we will get. Now we are doing sum here. So 9 plus 1 as I told 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So we have to keep 1 carry over and 0 we have to write at the place of ones. Now 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 1 12. So now we have to carry over at the place of 100 and here we have to write 2. And this one come here. So 120. 7 plus 3. 7 after 8, 9 and 10. So we have to write here carry over 1 and here 0. 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here it will come 11 and this one means 110. 7 plus 4. 7 after 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 1, 11. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. So 1 to 12 and here it will come 121. In a pond there are 89 frogs and 23 turtles. How many frogs are there? 89. 9 and 23 turtles. So we will write here 23. Find the total number of frogs and turtles in the pond. Now we have to find the total. Total means what we have to do? Addition. You have to find that in the word problem total is there. It means plus we have to remember. At every place it is not coming, but in addition sum if it is there, then you have to write plus sign. Now 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 how many? 9 after 10, 11 and 12. So we will write here 1 and here it will come 2. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 2 9 after 10 and 11. So we will write here 1 and 1 and this 1 will come here. So 112. Meena has 64 Barbie stickers and 48 Kitty stickers. How many stickers does she have in total? Now, how many stickers she has of Barbie? 64 and Kitty 48. Now we have to find that how many stickers does he have in total. As I told, total means plus sign we have to remember. 8 plus 4, 8 after 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 1, 2, 12. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 7 after 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 1, 1, 11 and this one will come here 112. Now a bookseller sells 72 books and 58 notebooks in a day. How many books and notebooks does he sell in total? Again it is coming total means what we have to remember? Plus. So 72 books and 58 notebooks. And we have to find the total of both. So 8 plus 2, 8 after 9 and 10. So we have to take carry over here 1 and here 0. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So we will carry over 1 and here we will write 3 and this one will come here. So answer is 130. I am showing you this. If you want to take screenshot of this, so you can take it and at home also you try this, and if you don't understand then again and again you revise this video so you can understand. I am showing you from the first page. Other exercise also remain, but first you do this much. Afterwards in second video I will show you the remaining chapter 3rd of this chapter. Only the remaining videos I will send in the next. See, I am showing you this because you have to take screenshot of this, so whenever you want to solve in your notebooks then also you can do it very easily, and those who don't have books they also can do it